Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make eggless cookies without using an oven. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of self-rising flour. This is a flour that contains baking powder already. You're also going to need 1 cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of ghee or oil, and lastly, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Start by mixing all the ingredients. This is a flour that contains baking powder, but if you don't have this flour, you can use the normal wheat flour and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 cup of icing sugar and mix everything well. Lastly, add 1 cup of ghee or oil. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till everything is well combined that you can able to make a small ball. Your mixture of flour has to be like this. Then your mixture is ready. Then it's high time to shape our cookies. Take a small amount of the mixture, make a small ball, then squeeze in between your palm as you can see in the video, or you can shape your cookies anyhow you like. Continue shaping your cookies and arrange them on the tray. After 10 minutes, I'm done shaping my cookies. I'm going to preheat my oven and the pan because I'm going to show you 2 techniques of baking the cookies. Place a stand in the pan and cover with a lid and preheat on a medium-low heat for 10 minutes before baking the cookies. Meanwhile, I'm going to decorate my cookies by putting a red spot at the center, or you can use any color that you want. I'm done decorating my cookies and it's high time to bake our cookies. After 10 minutes, our pan is ready. Place a baking pan and a baking sheet at the bottom so that the cookies don't stick. And arrange the cookies and reduce the heat and bake at a low heat for 40 minutes. Make sure the heat is low so that the cookies don't get burned at the bottom. If you're going to use an oven, bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes, our eggless cookies are ready as you can see in the video. Remove them from the fire and let them to cool down completely before serving them. And our soft eggless cookies are ready, as you can see in the video. Serve on a plate with a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy your cookies. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.